Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to convert image to sketch in Photoshop. Let's begin. Open any image, then duplicate. Right click on your mouse, duplicate layer and name. Use any name. Okay. Then use select the layer. Hold Shift Control U. Black and white. Okay. And again, step 4. Duplicate layer. Name invert, and again step 5, press Ctrl I. Step 6, select the invert options, invert layer, color dots. Okay, then step 7, go to filter tab, blur, Gaussian blur, and use increase, use 3 pixels, and again hold Shift, select, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster layer, then select the adjustment, curves. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.